morning everyone and good morning ma'am. Today I'm going to report the three injuries, the care of common exercise injuries. So let's start. So I will be discussing three common injuries to this. Number one, blisters. Number two, bruise. Three, and muscle cramps. Okay, first is blister. A blister is a painful skin condition where fluid fills a space between layers of skin. They form when something like two tight shoes repeatedly rubs against your skin. These fluid-filled bubbles are a pain, but you can treat them easily at home. How to avoid or prevent blister? Wear better shoes. Shoes are often the culprit when it comes to blisters forming on your feet. Number 2. Wear better socks, just non-cotton socks that leak away moisture. Number 3. Lubricate your feet before you exercise. Number 4. Keep the calluses safe. Number 5. Keep your feet dry. And last, cover the areas that are prone to blisters. So that is the measurement of how to avoid or prevent the blisters. Next, how can I treat the blisters? So number 1, here's the treatment for blisters. Number 1, to treat a blister, loosely cover the blister with a bandage. Number 2, use padding to protect blisters in pressure areas such as the bottom of your feet. Use padding. Number 3, avoid popping or draining a blister as this could lead to infections. Keep the areas clean and covered. So we should keep the areas of the blisters clean and covered. Next, what is the fluid in a blister? The clear, what are you liquid inside a blister is the serum. So, ang tawag dahil sa kuan is serum. Ano serum? It leaks in from neighboring tissues as a reaction to injured skin. If blisters remain unopened, serum can provide natural protections for the skin beneath it. Small blisters are called vesicles. Vesicles ang tawag sa small blisters. Next, let's go on to bruise. A bruise or contusion is a skin discoloration from a skin or tissue injury. This injury damages blood vessels underneath the skin. It causes black, blue, purple, brown, or yellow discolorations. There is no external bleeding unless the skin breaks open. So this is the photos of the bruise. Next, how can I prevent bruising? Here's the preventions of having a bruise. Number 1, keep floors and rooms clear of dripping. How has it hiding the night through rugs and shoes? Number 2, move furniture away from doorways and walkways to avoid bumping into hard surfaces. Number 3, turn on light or flashlight when walking through poorly lit areas. Number 5, the last is Get enough vitamins in your diet. So, naigo tama. Next. How do you treat bruised wounds? So, here's are the treatment to the bruise. So, number 1, rest the bruise area if possible. Ice. Number 2, ice the bruise with an ice pack wrapped in a towel. Leave it in place for 10 to 20 minutes. Repeat all times a day for a day or 2 as needed. Number 3, compress the bruised area if it is swelling. Using an elastic bandage, don't make it too tight. Number 4, innovate that injured area. Okay. Next is the last ng 3 common injuries is the muscle cramps. So, what is muscle cramps? A muscle cramps is a sudden and involuntary contractions of one or more of your muscles. If you have been awakened in the night or stopped in your tracks by a sudden Charlie horse, you know that muscle cramp can cause severe pain. Muscle cramps can take severe pain if something occurred to your body. These steps may be help to prevent cramps. This is the steps on how to prevent the muscle cramps. So, avoid dehydration during the day of liquid. Every day you have to take 8 to 10 glasses water every day. The amount depends on what you eat, your sex, your level of activity, the weather, your teeth, your health, your age, and medications you take. This must be maintained. Now, 2, the last is stretch your muscles. Stretch before and after you use any muscle for an extended period. Next is, if cramps has been occurred, these actions may provide relief. So, if you have a muscle cramps has occurred to your muscles, these are the actions that can provide for your relief for the muscle. Stretch. Number 1, stretch and massage. Stretch the cramp muscle and gently rub it to help it relax. For a calf cramp, put your weight on your cramp leg and bend your knees slightly. Number 2, apply heat or cold. Use alarm towel or heating pad on tense or tight muscles. So, you should apply heat or cold for the muscle cramps can provide relief. So, that's all. That's all. Thank you, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.